Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Teague. This is Toyota Jeff Reviews. Thanks for hitting subscribe. This is the 2023 RAV4 Limited. Actually, this is the Limited all-wheel drive blueprint with gray interior. What? Not everybody has a Han Solo frozen in carbonite cup? As we walk around, let's talk about pricing. The Limited here, that's gonna be all-wheel drive $37,600 for factory MSRP. Look at that blueprint color shining. If you wanna go a little bit less and you don't need all-wheel drive, you can go with front wheel drive. That'll be at $36,200. So about $1,400 difference between front and all. We're gonna be looking at the window sticker at the end of the video, but for right now, let's get an interior first look at this light gray. It's got two-tone seats. Everything's light, open, airy. You might see some options that pique your interest. We'll be looking at those. You might be looking from the passenger seat, from the back seat, from the driver's seat. We'll look at all that. On the window sticker, you're gonna see this one has the weather package added to it. Has heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, windshield wiper deicer, and rain sensing wipers. Holla! America's best-selling small SUV, RAV4. Woo, who wouldn't like it? And the Limited, the top of the food chain, luxury, prestige, higher end features and technology. It also comes with it standard on this all-wheel drive, the dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive. That's kind of cool with multi-terrain select. So what that means is it operates like front wheel drive. The wheels on this car go round and round until they get slippery. Rain, mud, snow, sand, and then it can send power to the back wheels and to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Yeah. River dance. This is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's capable of producing 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Match that with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Again, it's got a hood blanket. I say that on all RAV4s. I like that. Soundproofing a little bit. Then we've got this prop rod. It's not hydraulic lifts, but it is off to the side if you want to do some work. Fuel mileage is 25 in the city, 33 on the highway, 28 combined. You have a 14.5 gallon fuel tank on the driver's side. For suspension and brakes, you're gonna have multi-link rear suspension, which is fantastic. It's smooth, it's responsive, it's a comfortable ride. You'll like it. And disc brakes in the front and the back. Look at this front end, my friends. We've got a silver metallic, kind of grayish trapezoidal front grille with parking sensors built right in, like that. You'll see those on the back as well. Got color keyed going on, and then we've got LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. So it's the whole trifecta, my friends, like the horse races. That's what it's like. Silver metallic lower bumper. It's just really cool. What do you guys think? Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, that's new for 2023. You got another thing coming. So let's take a look at the profile here. It's tall, it's rugged, it appeals to so many different people, and that's what makes it the best-selling small SUV in the country. Look at these 19-inch shiny chrome wheels. Shiny, happy chrome wheels holding hands. We've got matte black fender treatments, and also down below, look at the cutout right there. That helps us see around that pillar. We've got color-keyed mirrors with turn signal indicators. Whoop, whoop. Blind spot monitor. Auto lock and unlock right here. Just like that, except for I got the car on, so it's not gonna lock. Chrome plated handles, like that. We've got dark roof rails, and I see a standard moonroof. So let's fade out so you can get the full picture and comment what you think. All right, look forward to seeing LED taillights here that kind of sweep across. We've got chrome badging, boom, silver metallic accents. Remember, it matches that front piece along the front bumper and also along the back bumper. Whoop, whoop. Backup sensors, holla, 2 exhaust ports. And then we have the backup camera right underneath here. I could open this, but I have to turn on the power first. So here's what you're gonna wanna do. Turn the car on, we'll get to our settings. And I'll tell you right now, between this new 12.3-inch screen, we have 1, 2, 3s, left, center, right. My family plays that game and it's kind of fun. So we're going to hold this down, okay, to switch between which side you want. I can go back and forth across this, but remember, if it's not getting to the next area, you have to hold it down. So we'll click on settings, go down, down, down to vehicle settings, hold that down, and now we get PBD. PBD? Hold that down, PBD, power back door. We're going to push OK on the steering wheel and hit it again. Boom! Now it's on. Go down lower, hit OK, and you can change the adjustment, how high you want that to open up, and then the volume for opening it. So here we go. Now you can open it right here using that, or I can use the key. We'll use that. If you upgrade to the technology package, you'll be getting the overhead 360 bird's eye view camera and also the kick operated, whoosh, kick it like that, back lift gate. So this is what you got. What do you think? All right, we're gonna swing right around here because I gotta show you JBL sound system. That's big, premium sound, concert-like music in your car. We've got latches. This one has the upgraded cargo tray that goes up over the second row seats. We've got 12 volt circular. We've got storage area with a net. N-E-T, net, that's net. All right, so we got the tonneau cover, hide valuables, like me. And when I put the seats down, we have good stacking height, good stacking width. It's very squared off. That's kind of cool. Easier to get things in and out. And then here's what it looks like from the side. So we've got this seat all the way back and reclined. I still have room. I've got good headroom for my 5'8" frame. The seats are very comfortable. I like the seating material. Oh, that's very soft. Oh, I like it. All right, and then this one's probably an average, maybe for somebody 5'8", 5'10" sitting here. So we got room. I got a seat pocket. I don't have one over here, but look at this. Now I can take this seat and recline it backward. So now I have even more room. Boom. Now because this one has the weather package, we're gonna see heated rear seats. Where are we gonna find them? Well, on the handle. Boom, just push that. Soft touch material all the way up. Feels a little bit more high scale. And the Softex seating, very squishy. Got child safety latches, that's important, and they're easily visible and accessible. All right, kind of thin, but it goes all the way across. Got some good cup holders there, it looks like to me. Rear USBs, rear air vents, and then remember this view from the back. Remember, this has standard moonroof. All right, so look at these seats. I like the use of the two-tone. I love a light colored interior. That's my favorite. Some of you might like black interior, red interior, beige interior. Gray is my favorite. Guess I'd go with beige or macadamia as my second. Now this one has interesting use of the brown shelf here. And then the storage area right there. This is new Toyota Audio Multimedia. You'll have access to wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, JBL sound system there. Good use of voice commands. There's our selector gear for our drive modes. Multi-terrain select. Let's look inside the center console. Whoop, whoop. All right, we've got USBs. We've got a tray. Uno dos tray. Looks like good room in there too. Really deep cup holders here. I just think it's so interesting to have light gray with brown with like a charcoalish black. So what's standard on this beast, this marvel? Well, we've got memory seats. That's important. One-touch windows. That's nice. Little brown shelf for little Yoda doll maybe. Then we've got lumbar support. We have power driver seat on both sides. I mean passenger seat, of course. You know what I mean. There are two power seats in the front. All right, windshield wiper de-icer, heated steering wheel. That's cool, that's weather package stuff. We've got the back tailgate, automatic high beams. We've got brightness of the dash. Leather wrap steering wheel. It's a nice touch. All right, all of our safety equipment like radar, cruise control, lane tracing assist, lane departure list, and then this is the key right here. That's for moving all of your information around the way you want it. So let's come over here. We've got downhill assist, snow mode, mud and sand, rock and dirt, normal, eco for better gas mileage, normal for normal, sport for better acceleration, brake hold, and electronic parking brake. You have to start this, you have to push that every time you start the vehicle up, every single time to get it active. The door has to be shut on the driver's side, and also the seatbelt has to be buckled. It's the only way to get it to work, and it'll hold you in place for about 3 minutes while you're at a light. Stretch your legs out. Let's go to this right here, the multi-terrain select. We've got mud and sand, rock and dirt, snow mode, normal. All right, that's kind of cool. And then we've got sport, eco, normal. And then let's look across here. Remember that you have to hold this down to get it to go to one of your 3, call them panes or windows. So this is your, we'll go over to this one here so you can see things that we could do on here. All right, so now I'm going to hold down OK again on the steering wheel and then flip it over here. And then here on the right-hand side, what can we see? Okay, now let's hold down OK again. Get over to settings, push that down. Lane tracing assist, hold that down. Do you want to change any of those details about it? Blind spot monitor, it's off, it's on. It's off. It's on again. Definitely want to keep that on. Pre-collision system, you want that on. You don't want that to be off. Parking sonar, rear cross traffic alert. I'd like all those on. That's the braking. If you're getting close to something, it'll road sign assist. It picks up road signs, especially speed limit, stop signs, do not enter, yield. Okay, now look at this here, vehicle settings. So let's hold that down. Power back door, push that one. We've seen that one. Tire pressure warning system, maintenance, rear seat reminder. That's a good one to have on because it beeps at you if it feels like there's something that weighs something in the back seats. Your laptop bag that you left, your book bag that you left, a child, a dog. Okay, let's hold down meter settings. Language, what do you want? English, Francais, Spanish. Meter type, hold that down. All right, which one do you want? We're just going through the OK keypad there. Which one do you want? Okay, so now we're going to go back. We're going to go to the meter style. This is kind of cool. You can change it between what mood you're in. Casual, smart, tough, sporty. Which one do you like? I'll go with that one. All right, over here we've got heated and cooled seats. Boom, 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 and then. So which one do you want here? We've got more USBs, 12-volt circular. This one feels so nice. I like that dial. Feels good. Feels good. Feels good. Air blows out pretty good. And then here, 10.5-inch screen. You can, let's go through music. You can just scroll. What if I want hip hop? You can scroll through what they think is hip hop. If I want family, you can do that. Ohana means family. All right, so what else can we look at here? There's our music. Phone, you can pair 2 phones at the same time. You can set up profiles to get your seat information, your temperature information, your song information. And then settings, set up your profile right there. Manage devices. General, what do you want to change? What do you want to change? Just keep looking. If there's something you're wondering about, just play around with this one here. I'm just seeing what we can see. Okay. Vehicle customize. You can customize different settings about your lights. Your door controls, that could be important to you. Climate. All right, nice. Up top here, we have HomeLink for garage door opener programming. Boom, there it is. Auto dimming rearview mirror. I see sunglass holder. lights, safety connect, and then your moonroof. You want to see how far that opens up? Not quite all the way. What about if I push it again? Okay, it does go back more. Nice. It is beautiful here. I hope it's beautiful where you guys are. Maybe 65 today and sunny. Really nice. Lighted visor with slider. Block out that sun. Now you can give it voice commands, lots and lots of voice commands. Once you register your phone and your profile, you have limitless commands. But for right now, I've got a couple that I can show you. You just say, hey, hello, hi, and okay, and then the word Toyota. Hey, Toyota.
What do you want to do?
What is my driving range?
Your trip range is 141 miles.
Okay, Toyota.
What do you want to do?
Tune to Sirius XM channel 8.
Tuning to Sirius XM channel 8.
Let's take a look at the window sticker for a Limited all-wheel drive. You could get front-wheel drive for $1,400 less. This one's made in Ontario, Canada. You might see one in Georgetown, Kentucky. All right, good safety ratings here. Here's the fuel mileage I was telling you about. This column, standard features. Whoop, whoop. All right, so just go down the list. 8 different airbags. 11 JBL speakers, subwoofer, and amplifier. All right, this is how much the weather package costs and what's included. We're going to add delivery in just a minute. This is regional assembly options that were added at the port. Each region all across the country has different options they would put on cars. These are some that were on this one. All right, $41,250. Thanks for watching, everybody. What do you think of RAV4? What do you think of RAV4 Limited? Would you go with RAV4 Prime, RAV4 Hybrid, or RAV4 Gasoline that you see here? Whoosh. All right, thanks guys so much. That one gave me a kickback. All right, please follow me, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Toyota Jeff Reviews. All right, and then my second channel is Auto Jeff Reviews. If you want to see Honda Accord, Honda CR-V Hybrid, the new 2023, if you want to see a VW Tiguan, if you want to see Kia Sportage Hybrid, we've got all that there. Lots of brands, kind of fun to see what else is out there. That's at Auto Jeff Reviews. So please click that link up here, hit subscribe. You guys are the best. You might find Auto Jeff, Instagram, and TikTok as well. See you next time.